ready. Almost ready.
Wait!
He's shooting one with a gallon jug on it.
Okay, ready.
Wait!
Don't mess with yours now.
Get the screwdriver out.
That gun went poof! Bud, go in and blow it up. Stick 270 out of there, blow it up.
Looked high,
Off to the left,
off
high.
high and low, left. What kind of old rusty thing is that
Hammer?
anyways?
Yeah.
Get some of Sarah's oil and put on it.
You know they make gun grease so them will slide easier?
I will, but they're not.
You gonna take a hammer with you up there on the stand? You're pulling to the left.
Still left.
Shot too much. Mm-hmm.
Since there ain't a hammer in that truck, he can use it.
Get this shotgun out.
Yeah, really. I couldn't hit it either with that either. They're probably, what the hell is going on up there? I'll put a silver bullet in this one.
That'll do it.
Silver bullet. Yeah, call it a vampire. Or a weird wolf.
Wow.
I felt that come over here on my leg.
It blew two
I felt
Did it blow two
up?
up? It blew the big one up.
No, it didn't. It,
think
knocked
it
it just
did.
knocked it off.
It just knocked it off.
Yeah.
It just flowed the one the jug was on.
Wow. I didn't see the damn water in
That
there.
car drove by, I was like, what the heck's over there?
They got a freaking cannon going on over there.
It ain't none of their business if we had. Watch him run lopsided. He act like he's wore plumb out, don't he?
Trying to get this stupid gut.
I asked him if he was laying close this morning. He didn't answer me.
That's them on long legs trying to hold back, walk with Chris.
What it is?
Yeah.
You unscrewed the lid off that one.
Really?
Yeah.
That one ain't nowhere.
Is
near
it
me.
empty?
It was laying on the ground.
Is it empty? Put the lid back on it.
What's in that?
Dad, what's in that?
Explosives.
What's in what?
Those jokes.
Yes, sir. I felt that
Chrissy asked.
I have no idea what.
concussion off that on my leg. Can you imagine what them Arabs feel when one of them shells goes off next to them?
50 caliber or whatever. Gee.
Them 105 tank mounted howitzers?
You know, he's standing there and he's seeing it coming at him.
Fire in the hole!
No, you don't see it.
So you stacked them.
Hey, you don't have to worry. He can't hit it.
I left.